Okay. Ayun ba to? Okay. We'll start here. What do you call this one? Thoracic aorta. Kini. Esophagus. Kini.
Pulmonary trunk.
Superior vena cava na. Sama niyo yun. Superior vena cava. Kini. Pulmonary artery. Kini. Aorta. Okay. Pulmonary vein. Kini. Sama ni. Trachea. Esophagus karon. Kini wasin. Karina ni Dini. This one. Left primary bronchus. Kini.
Right primary bronchus.
This one, what do you call this? Hip arterial, secondary bronchus of the left primary bronchus. What do you call this? Hip arterial of the right primary or hip arterial bronchus. This is superior vena cava. What do you call this? Left innominate vein or brachiocephalic vein. This one. Right innominate or brachiocephalic vein. This left and right is formed by the communication between these two. On the left, what do you call this? Left subclavian vein. Left internal jugular vein. It unite to form the left innominate vein. What do you call this? Left subclavian. Left internal jugular. What do you call this? Right innominate or brachiocephalic vein. What do you call this? Right internal jugular. This one. Right subclavian vein. Okay. Now this is aorta. Now this arch of the aorta, arch of the aorta na now will branch out into three. 1, 2, 3. First branch given out by the arch of the aorta to the left. Left subclavian artery. Next branch.
Left internal jugular.
May internal jugular artery. Left common carotid. Then the third branch is innominate or brachiocephalic artery.
Nandi ka diha?
So what are the three branches of the arch of the aorta? First branch?
First branch.
Left subclavian. Left common carotid. Third branch? Innominate or brachiocephalic artery. So the innominate, there is no right and left brachiocephalic artery here, only vein. The innominate artery branch out into two. What do you call this?
Subclavian.
Right mani. Right subclavian. The other one. Right common carotid artery.
Common carotid.
In other words, the right subclavian and the right common carotid artery are branches of the innominate, while the left subclavian, left common carotid are branches of the arch of the aorta. Again, what do you call this?
Left right common carotid. Brachiocephalic vein. Right common carotid. Right subclavian. Brachiocephalic vein.
Vein, artery, or innominate.
Innominate artery.
Okay.
Madalip lang si Rib.
Again,
Artery, vein.
what do you call this?
Superior vena cava.
What do you call this? Left innominate or brachiocephalic vein. Finish.
Right innominate or brachiocephalic vein.
What do you call this?
Left subclavian vein. Left internal jugular vein. Right subclavian vein.
Right internal jugular vein. What do you call this? Arch of the
Arch
aorta.
of the aorta.
What do you call this? First branch.
Left subclavian artery. Left common carotid
artery. What do you call this?
Brachiocefalic
Cephalic or innominate artery. What do you call this?
Right common carotid
Artery.
artery. Right subclavian artery.
Good. What do you call this?
Karina.
Kiri?
Left primary bronchus. Right primary bronchus.
Hyperterial.
Hyperterial.
Kiri.
Right
Right hyperterial
hyperterial.
and hyperterial.
Hyperterial.
What do you call this?
Pulmonary vein. Nakalimutan.
Pulmonary artery.
Trunk.
Mana? Mana? Wait, ako lang.
Wala na?
Mana? Kini. Thoracic
Thoracic
aorta.
aorta. Esophagus.
Okay.
Trachea. Esophagus ng white. Dot, dire?